Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all, which is called Deep Botanicals. I have filmed this a while ago. However, unfortunately, I got so wrapped up this weekend, I had no time to do a voiceover between the new puppy and some new work circumstances that are going on. It was just hectic. So I still wanted to release this because I really like this spread and I wanted to share it with you in case you were interested. So I am using the sticker book from Rang Rang called Coffee Queen, as well as her pet tape, the PET tape, and some of the images that I created with Cricut. So go ahead and bear with me. If this is your first time joining me, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you again. I am so glad you're here, and let's get going. So I found this lovely sticker for my sidebar. It is a little bit Valentine-y with the pink and the hearts, but I really, really liked it, and I wanted to incorporate it. This way, I can have a weekly to-do list on the side. I'm going to be working with washi this week as well. I forget how much washi I have, and I haven't been using it as much, so I feel bad, but this one is kind of perfect with the gold polka dots and the light pink. I figured that this spread will be great. This is probably something that I would even do on Valentine's Day as well, because you don't need to make a lovey-dovey couples one. You can just do things that you love. And you guys, I adore coffee. I really do. And I do like tea a lot as well. So between those two, I am happy beverage girl. So anyway, let's put the tape down. Super cute, like I said, matches this side thing pretty perfectly, so I'll just keep going. This book has two themes. It's like a light and bright and dark and like coffee. So that's what I'm gonna use the light one because it is summer, so I want a bright spread. I'm gonna put this little coffee shop on Saturday and Sunday. We are going to try to take Toa to Starbucks to start getting him used to restaurants and stuff. So we might have a quick visit there and see how he does. Outside, of course, not inside. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of the tape right here. I think that looks good. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep going and decorating this little by little. Okay, and look at this one. Bring me coffee, and I can't say the name because I have one in this room, and if I do, she will go off, you know? So I wonder if you guys have the same issues. It was funny when it came out and a lot of people's pets were named with that name, so she was responding constantly. But anyway, this is a beautiful coffee queen sticker. Will go right in the middle, and it makes me so happy to see it there with the blue hues. It's kind of breaking up the pink a little bit for me, and it's looking gorgeous. So I'm pulling out a little bit of some coffee beans for myself to include in the spread, and I think that'll be good. So let's keep going. Yeah, stressed, blessed, and coffee obsessed. That would be me. 100%. Look at all these different coffees. I'm gonna put coffee date up here because we have plans on Friday. You guys, I have been having so many plans lately. I feel so fortunate to be able to see so many friends and do so many things, and I love summer probably because of that. I'm gonna add little boxes For my work schedule, I will keep them in pink. So we have straight edge and scalloped. I'm gonna use both. I think they look pretty great. So that's where I put my work hours. Since I am salary, I still track to make sure that I know how much I work. So big to-do list on Sunday right here. It's already lined for me. It is gorgeous. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add little trinkets like this where it says coffee break in blue to kind of bring in the blue into the spread a little bit. I love the pink and blue together. I don't know what it is, but it makes me super happy. Let's add a little coffee shop right there. I'm looking for some checklists to add to this. I don't know if I'm gonna find this particular pink in any of them because I do want this muted pink if I can. This actually matches pretty well, right? Okay, let's do that. Let me see if there's a blue that matches too. That might work. So I'm just gonna add a few and then I'm gonna add some more boxes maybe. Let's see, maybe not. Maybe I'll just do this. I really do enjoy making my spreads like this where they're fully functional for me. I do like to write in my planner quite a bit, which is pretty normal, right? Because that's what planners are for. But I definitely keep it on the more functional side. So I'm gonna add more of these to-dos in here. And then let's add the blue one. And then one more blue one. So these will stay on the top. Pretty good. I like it. Oh, I'm trying to peel this up. And then I'm gonna put it on Wednesday instead. So there's not too much of a clash with the pink up here. And it's not straight because why would I put anything straight, right? Okay. Anyway, let's keep going. I'm gonna add a few more motifs into this. I was thinking of adding flowers, but I've had flowers to every single thing. So let's see in here if I have things that I want to. This huge coffee thing I think will be cute, especially because it's a small one. I can add it right there. So we have a full coffee shop shelf, like a bar. I think it's called coffee bar, you guys. And I am talking to myself because what did I just call it? Coffee shelf. Yes. So anyway, I'm gonna add another little coffee place like so. I think that looks good as well. These pet tape stickers are shiny, so be aware if you're putting them on. They might be a little glossy, and that's okay. So I'm gonna add some coffee beans like so to my spreads. Yep, perfect. I love them, love them, love them. I want to add a few more boxes. I don't know if I'm gonna match, like find the exact match to those. So I'm gonna keep looking. I do have a little cart next to my desk, like a tiny one that I keep the books that I'm using right now, or I plan out my spreads. Eventually I'll show it to you guys. I know I've been promising, but my life's just been so hectic. So one of these days I will share. Okay, I'm just looking for the blue and the pink and I'm not finding it. So let's see if I can find one more through the Rang Rang sticker book. Maybe I can add a box or two into this spread. And I still need something for Monday and Tuesday underneath there. I was thinking of adding a mug, but I don't think that's a good idea. Let me see if I can find it in my collection of stickers that I made. Maybe I can add another little coffee mug. Life happens, but coffee helps. That's definitely a good point of view. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add all of these little trinkets in. Again, some just coffee beans. I really like having those in the planner. I think it gives it a nice brown color. Okay, that's all I have. I'm gonna put this back in my planner. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon for another Plan With Me. Thank you.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.